I heard you're in need of a free bird.
Yeah, I'm looking for those Beyerdynamic. Nico, what are you wearing?
I'm a free bird.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about, here they are, the Beyerdynamic Freebird True Wireless Earbuds. Put your normal clothes back on. Come on, we're working. This is a workplace. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today, we are upgrading your earbuds. The Beyerdynamic Freebird True Wireless in-ear headphones give you the studio quality sound you're accustomed to with Beyerdynamic in a small, portable form factor. I've said it once and I'll say it again, I absolutely love my wireless earbuds. They allow me to focus on my work when my coworkers are being noisy at our desks. Noise cancellation is a must. I can also take my favorite music and podcasts on the go and never miss another Justin Bieber release or horrendous true crime show. So when I learned Beyerdynamic released new true wireless earbuds, I was so excited to check them out. So let's get into it. It's time to unbox this. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so the first thing out of the box are the earbuds. Wow, this is a very nice feeling charging case. Okay, wow, look at those earbuds. Look at them lighting up like that. And here they are. Okay, so you apply the ear tip that's going to work best for you. But these are a pretty small earbud. They don't have a stem, so it's not gonna hang out of your ear. They'll kind of blend right in. Now let's see what else comes in the box. Oh, I wasn't expecting, oh shoot. All right, well, as you guys can see here, we have a bunch of ear tips. Depending on the size of your ears, you've got a couple different colors. This orange color. Oof, I like this material a lot. Very squishy. You've got black. Nice. Lots of options there for you. So no matter your ear size, you should be able to find tips that will work for you. Now you also have your charging cable right here. There we go, your charging cable. This tells you all about the different sized ear tips. This is your quick start guide. This is your instructions in a couple of different languages. And finally, you have your safety, compliance, and warranty information. So that's everything that comes in the box. I'm gonna organize these ear tips really quickly and then we'll get into the specs of these earbuds. If you're looking for hours of uninterrupted listening while you're traveling between work and school, you will love the Freebird in-ear headphones. With active noise cancellation, you can tune out the world around you and focus on your music. If you don't mind hearing the outside world a little bit, transparency mode lets some of that ambient noise seamlessly blend in without distracting you from the album you're listening to. These also have an extra long battery life, so you won't have to charge them up after just a few hours of use. You can get up to 11 hours on a single charge, or 30 hours total if you count the 2 additional charges available in the case. If your earbuds do die, charge them for just 10 minutes and you'll be ready to go for another 70 minutes of pure listening bliss. What's really exciting to me about these earbuds is they use that Beyerdynamic distinctive sound that's trusted among creators and musicians around the world. With powerful drivers and state-of-the-art codecs, you get perfect, pristine, clear sound. The Qualcomm dual 2-mic CVCs also supply impressive speech intelligibility. You can pick up a work call or chat on the phone with a friend without worrying about sounding muffled. These earbuds come with 5 different ear tips developed by Beyerdynamic's own acoustic experts. You guys saw all of those fall out onto the desk when I was unboxing this, but you can find the one that fits you the best. If you plan on wearing these while working out, the foam orange ear tips that come in the box are perfect for exercise. And luckily, these earbuds have an IPX4 rating, which protects them from splashing water. Even a sweaty workout won't disrupt your listening experience. These earbuds also work well for gamers. Low latency mode ensures that your picture and sound are in total sync. You can also use the Beyerdynamic My app for other modifications and updates for your headphones. That MIY app is so interesting because it actually allows you to personalize the sound that you're listening to. You go through a 2-minute listening test within the app, and then it customizes your sound experience based on those results. So your music is going to be totally tailored to your ears. I don't know any other earbuds that offer that kind of personalization. If you're ready for a pair of earbuds that'll keep your life soundtrack going all day long, no matter where you are, shop for these at the link in the description. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys.